So the name of my activity is titled How Many Students Activity Chapter 11. So this activity could be something that is just very quick. It's an easy way to make sure that the students are understanding. It's giving the students extra practice on this concept. Um, so the first thing that they're going to do is choose the total number of boys or the total number of girls in the third grade from the chart below. So as you can see, there's 73 boys and 68 girls. The second thing they're going to do is they're going to use their place value mat to determine how many tens and how many ones. So depending on if they chose boys or girls, they will go ahead and put what they found here on their mat. They could even just switch after the boys do, once you've done the boys, you could go ahead and do the girls, and once you've done the girls, you can go ahead and do the boys. So again, it's just a really quick activity just to check their knowledge. And yeah, thanks.